Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we're talking about how to create multiple accounts on Poppo Live. This process is not easy. Reason being that Poppo Live accepts face authentication, and because of that fact, it's going to be difficult because of your face cannot appear on two-face authentication. And you don't need two phone number in two different Poppo Live accounts. Likewise, Gmail. That is why your the possibility of having more than one Poppo Live account is going to be difficult. But this video, I'm going to guide you on what to do in order to have more than one Poppo Live account. So the first thing you have to do is to have a different phone number from the previous phone number used for registering your Poppo Live. The next thing is to have a different Gmail from the Gmail you use for registering your connecting or linking your Gmail to your Poppo Live. The next thing is for you to click on your profile icon on the authentication option. You're not going to use the same face for two-face authentication, so you have to look for a relative, friend, or anybody that is going to help you to complete your face authentication on Poppo Live in order to have more than one Poppo Live account. So guys, that is it on how to have more than one Poppo Live account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do well to like, subscribe, share, and do not forget to hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.